time has finally come, the moment we've all been waiting for, to start tearing this freaking thing apart so we can finally paint it. I feel like it's been over a year. It's been way too long. We got the paint sitting right there, the Jeep sitting right here, and we're gonna start taking it apart. All this has to come completely apart. All these, the hood latches, headlights, bumper, hood louver, everything's coming apart, sanded, bodywork if we need to, and then we're gonna get it painted. So that's what we're gonna get done today, or at least started on. And here we go. You got anything to say?
I'm actually kind of speechless, but I'm excited at the same time because, like you said, it's been a long time. We've been waiting to do this for a while.
Yep.
So we're gonna get to it.
Yeah, here we go. Okay, so the goal for today is to get the little stuff off. That means light bar, brackets, hood, louver, mirrors, everything that can come off easily, we can take off real quick and get ready to sand down for paint. So that's the goal today. Bed still needs some work, which is why it's gonna stay on, and it'll be easier for us to work on it while it's still on the Jeep. But once we get all this stuff taken off, and we can start sanding on it, then that's when we can come back to the bed, finalize anything we need to finalize, and then we can start prepping that for paint. But today and tomorrow is gonna be filled with taking the little things off and prepping those. All right guys, we're back. Day 2 of taking this thing apart. We made some good progress. Little things each day we're getting done. Next step is gonna be taking the windshield out. So we gotta take the hardtop off, get that put to the side, then we can start unbolting all this stuff and get the windshield off. And we will be replacing the windshield, so that'll get a new piece of glass, which will be nice. And I think there's some weld stuff on there from welding, and it's like,
Yeah, I'll take the blame for that. That's my fault. When we were building your old roof rack, didn't take the time to cover it up.
yeah, those little hot balls of molten metal were landing on the glass and it left a bunch of marks, but
Yeah.
it's all good. We're gonna get taking that off, and then we're probably gonna start sanding some of these panels down because that's a huge step we need to take. But I want to show you guys the paint. If you haven't already seen the paint, it is absolutely beautiful. So we'll get a can popped open for you and show you what it looks like.
Oh yeah.
Check that out. So it's got some pearl in it. It's I wanted to go with almost the same color, but it's It's going to be so much better than that stock Sienna Pearl. Look at that.
So I think it's technically it's a blend or kind of a mix of Sienna Pearl. Excuse me.
What the heck's going on?
Sienna Pearl and Snazberry.
Yeah.
That's what I think we were kind of shooting for.
Yeah.
So what's pretty cool is we got 2 full gallons here, more than enough.
It almost looks black from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, more than enough paint to do this Jeep, but and we'll have some left over, which will be nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's
going to look awesome. I mean, I'm sure that the lens or the camera doesn't do it justice, but
almost, yeah.
that's going to be nice.
I'm excited. Cool.
Awesome.
Are you good?
I'm good. Just got finished eating.
You got to put the window down. It makes it so much easier.
Definitely want to organize. We,
Got it. Yeah. Look at this. This is nuts looking. I think it looks really good with no hard top, the bed rack on it.
No hood.
No. We'll run a hood. That thing's cool. It looks good, dude.
Yeah.
We definitely need to finish the cage build. We started one and it kind of didn't go anywhere because
Well, we got behind on other stuff that we had to get done.
yeah, so we still want to build a cage for this, but it looks really cool with no hard top. Definitely gonna have to be running it like this in the summer. That's cool.
Nice.
I mean, I think we've taken these out
I
before.
don't remember doing that though. You know,
I'm pretty sure we
I'm
have.
hoping they've been loosened at least a couple times.
Thank God. Honestly, if it didn't come out, we could have just welded something to it. Just freaking. I'm serious. If anyone knows where we can find all the gaskets, like all the stuff for the windshield, I need like a full gasket kit, or I'm looking for one. Like all the windshield channel stuff. Right? There's nothing else. Try moving forward.
Hinge fell off.
Oh, hold on.
Put it right up.
Oh, wait.
What?
I need
your thing.
some cutters.
Lay it down right here first. Looks weird.
That is really weird.
We had to do this. We had to take the Jeep out. We have no hood, no windshield, no roll bar. Why not?
One last official drive
Before it's completed,
paint
we
job.
get new paint. So it is November 28th. It is 44 degrees. That's not bad, but it's still
feels like 30.
still pretty cold. So we're gonna drive the Jeep, have some fun. And I've never driven a Jeep without a windshield. So
First time.
have you?
Nope, first time.
Yeah. So we're gonna take it out and see what it's like. We're gonna buckle up.
Alrighty.
the heat on, but I can't really tell.
Yeah, we got half a roll bar.
You only live once, dude.
No windshield, no hood, no doors.
Yeah, this is weird.
No headlights. Not that that matters.
It's freaking weird, dude. Dude, the heat doesn't work.
Are you cold? Yeah, why doesn't the heat work?
It's because you wore the wrong jacket. Oh my god.
Oh my cheeks are frozen solid.
Oh. This jacket's nice.
I know, I should have layered. I think that's my problem.
Probably. Dude, we should take it to get gas.
Let's not. Let's wait about 20 minutes for this car to get down here.
Oh, I feel heat now.
Oh yeah, that makes all the difference in the world.
That dude was like, what the hell are these guys doing? Hey, he's on a motorcycle. That's just as crazy. All right. I know. All right, a lot of people are like, what the hell are these guys doing? But we had to take it out and drive it around a little bit and have fun, so.
I mean, you're always taking pictures and video of it right here, so everybody kind of knows.
That's true, but I mean, what I'm saying is, it looks like it's just destroyed.
Well, that was freaking wild, driving that thing around and experiencing the cold like that. I know how you buggy guys feel in the winter when you're wheeling. I know you're not going 50 miles an hour, but still, it's freaking cold. So
Yeah.
we're gonna get the hood up on these sawhorses and then strip it completely down because we're gonna start sanding this first, just because it's the biggest, easiest thing to do. So yeah.
I'm trying to do that with one hand.
Yeah.
Spread this out.
We're gonna strip the louvers off first, hinges, all this little stuff's gonna come off, and then it'll give us a clean area to start sanding stuff. This is also gonna get sandblasted and painted with the same paint, so it'll match. I've thought about just getting a new hood and not running one of these, but I do like it for functionality and practicality and lookability.
Lookability.
Yeah.
No, I think it looks good.
No, I like it, so I'm gonna leave it, but we're gonna take it off, sandblast it, and get it painted as well. So let's get to doing stuff. Great. Okay, so the next step is gonna be sanding, and we're gonna be using some 220 grit. We don't need anything too aggressive, and we don't need anything not aggressive enough. Frank, the guy who painted my dad's red Super Bee and who's gonna be helping us paint this, told us to 220 the entire vehicle in terms of what's painted already. So the hood, fenders, doors, grill, all that stuff that's already maroon or sienna pearl is gonna be down to 220. Just to smooth it out, because there really isn't any imperfections, there's really no dents in the Jeep that we have to do some body work on, but this is what we're left with, and we're gonna start doing some sanding on this, and yeah, we'll kind of show you guys the end of what sanding looks like on the hood. This stuff is absolutely disgusting. It's not worse than Bondo.
Fiberglass?
Yeah, fiberglass.
10 times better than
That
fiberglass.
stuff sucks. So this is what we have to do to the rest of the Jeep. Just 220, and I don't know, it took us probably what, 30 minutes?
Maybe 30 minutes, and
Yeah.
that's just our first go around with sanding. Then we're gonna come back and address any other areas that we need to like feather out, smooth it out, make sure it's all nice and flat and clean, ready to go, and then we'll hit it with some 400 then some 800.
Yeah. So 220 is going to be our most aggressive, and we go up from there. So you're reducing the amount of deep scratches
Right.
in this. And this is all adhesion for the paint, correct?
Yeah, so, well, that's actually getting the base to get it all smoothed out, and
Yeah.
then we'll come back and do the 400 and then the 800.
Well, 800 is just what you need adhesion for, right?
Correct, yeah, our 800 is gonna be our last sanding, and we'll try to get that even smoother. We'll spend a little bit more time doing that final sanding on there just so it looks better
Yeah.
when the base goes down, and then of course when the clear goes down.
Exactly, yeah. So, this is a lot of progress for us. The hood is almost there, or it's started on. We have a lot more work to do, which I'm probably gonna end the video here, just because we still have to take the bed off and do a little bit of fabrication, stuff like that to that, welding, grinding. So I'm gonna save all that for next episode. A lot more sanding and fabrication. Hopefully we can get it all done within the next episode. I don't want this to be like a freaking 10-part series, because I know everything we have to do and paint and all that could easily be 10 videos, and I don't want to do that to you guys. I'd rather just have 4 or 5, 3, 4, whatever videos for this thing to get painted. So,
Well, I mean, the bulk of it will be a lot of the prep work, so that can get kind of tedious and time consuming,
Yeah.
but we'll show all the meat and potatoes about the prep work, just so that everybody knows what we're going through and what's required.
yeah, cool. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have a lot to do and a lot going on. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. I don't really care. Just want to have fun in the garage out here. So, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. But we'll see you guys in the next video.
See you guys.